Today we will talk about something we all have, a daily routine. Today I will share my family's daily routine.
Listening and speaking skills. You will follow on models and scent. So how? Noah flow map.
Family. There are 4 people in my family. My wife Sarah, my son Leo, and my daughter Mia.
Dog Buddy. Our weekdays are always very busy.
All right.
But Sarah loves mornings and wakes up immediately.
The smell of fresh coffee slowly wakes me up.
Around 6:45.
And wash my face.
Good morning, sleepyhead. Time to get up.
Leo is 10 years old and Mia is 7.
But Mia wakes up quickly and chooses her school clothes.
Together for breakfast. We usually eat toast, cereal, eggs, and fruit. During breakfast, we talk about our plans for the day.
Kids brush their teeth and prepare their school bags. Sarah prepares their lunch boxes.
Bye, Mom!
Bye.
Bye!
I drive the kids to school on my way to work. Tighter drive.
Sometimes play games. I drop them at the school gate at 8:20. Bye.
Then I drive to my office for work.
Designer. Our dog Buddy stays with her during the day.
Kids from school. She gives them snacks and helps them with homework.
5:30 and pick them up. We arrive home around 6 in the evening.
At 6:30, we sit together and enjoy dinner.
Watch TV. At night, we read bedtime stories and get ready for another day.
In the kitchen.
While Sarah dries them with a towel.
Kids, carry the plates and cups to the sink.
Soon the kitchen is clean again.
Their free time.
Colorful pictures.
Sometimes they watch a little television.
Quietly on the carpet.
To feel awake on a Saturday.
That's because you keep staying up to watch those late night comedies.
Guilty. But I wouldn't trade our slow morning.
At 8:30, it is time for the kids to go to bed.
Come on, bedtime.
Sleeping.
They climb into their beds and wait for a bedtime story.
Ready?
By silver moons, there lived a tiny fairy named Luma. Every night, she painted the stars.
Climbed a rolling wave. Captain Hayes gripped the wheel and shouted, "Hold steady, mates. One more surge and we'll break through."
Good night.
Good night.
Lights and close the door quietly.
The house becomes quiet.
I finally enjoy some quiet time together.
So, Saturday, farmer's market first thing?
Works for me. Let's say 8 a.m.
8 it is.
Perfect. That gives us the afternoon free.
We check the kids' school bags and prepare their clothes.
Our dog Buddy sleeps peacefully beside the sofa.
I usually read a book before sleeping. Eyes.
And the the next morning, the routine begins again.
Days.
Best start to a weekend.
Race it to the big tree!
Wait for us!
Their bikes and play outside.
Good morning. Come on in.
Morning!
We brought some fresh fruit for breakfast.
Oh, that's so thoughtful. Make yourselves at home.
We have a barbecue in our garden.
Quiet and relaxing day.
Sometimes we bake a cake together. Family time.
Love and happy moments.
English with us today.